Alright, we got, this is the brushless 24 volt max impact driver. This is the kit. This is 4913880. This is Kobalt. I got this with the buy one get one free. I believe at the time I bought it was like $99. Usually they run around $150 with the free tool. Stay tuned to this channel obviously to get deals like this. So $100 for 2 tools, it's a no-brainer. Newer series of the Kobalts. If you guys could tell by the packaging, it's blue. This is a 24 volt lithium. You got a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. So this only does come with one battery and a really small battery, by the way. Up to 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, 3,800 impacts per minute. You got a 5-year limit on the tool, a 3-year limited warranty on the battery. Specifications here: we got a 1/4 inch impact driver, max torque 2,000 inch-pounds, no load speed 0 to 3,100 RPM, impacts per second 0 to 3,800 IPM, impact strength or impact settings 3, weight 2.4 pounds, soft grip for superior comfort, one-handed quick lock insert collet, so it isn't just like the most expensive models. Finish mode automatically stop after fastenings. This is probably for the lower torque, like the the tapping screws and all that. There we go. Self-tapping mode, high RPM while driving, automatically slow down while threatening. Speeds here: 3 adjustments: 0 to 1500, 0 to 2400, 0 to 3100. Made in China. Alright, first thing we have is the charger. It's blinking charging. You got solid green already charged. You got solid red. It's they're waiting for the temperature to cool down, obviously. And then you got blinking red, which is bad battery. The LEDs are right there. You got 3 different prongs. You do have some indentations there, so you guys could put some screws and hang this up on your wall. You are able to pass through the extension cord there in case you need to pass it through the other side. You got a lithium ion charger, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 85 watts. So this is a pretty fast charger for 85 watts. Alright, and then for the bag, we do have a Kobalt brushless. It kind of gets stuck here on the sides. But yeah, pretty nice bag. It does come with the next thing out of the box. We do have the battery. So again, 3 prongs. We got positive, negative, and we got D. Vents here. I don't know. I don't think this is vented, but this is a vented capable battery. It does have a nice vent there. It does have 2 bars. So this is Kobalt, 2 amp hour battery. Model number KB22240-3. So let's just throw this on the charger, see what it does. Alright, so the battery, it flashed when I put it in. Alright, so we'll set that there and then we'll leave it charging there for a minute. We got the tool itself. Now I do have to say this is smaller than the previous ones I've seen. I haven't owned any. This is my first Kobalt tool. This is Kobalt brushless, by the way. It does have a plastic cover on top, but it is metal on the inside. Got all the black part is rubber. Got the battery compartment to 24 volt max. You want to put it there, and then you can put your belt clip there, and then you do have 1 to 3 speeds, and then you have a self-tapping and a finish mode. So pretty nice. And then you got a button there to press, and then obviously you got another button there for the speeds. You got LED lights, quick insert collet basically. It says Kobalt 1/4 inch brushless impact driver. Model number KID 124B-3. Made in China. Lowe's Home Centers LLC. That sounds nice. Lots of air movement. Seems like it's really smooth. That's 3rd speed. Yeah, really nice variable speed on the trigger. Alright, we got some instructions. So basically for the battery, for the charger, and then for the tool. Basically we don't need those. And then we have some belt clips, accessory holder. Last time, I can't remember the last time I got one of these with the tool. The belt clip. And then we have a bit. Alright. It's a slider basically. So you can just slide it in through like so, and quick insert collet. Yep. Impact driver. We got a full battery, so you guys do see there. So we're just gonna do some simple tests. Also, let us know down in the comment section which tools would you want to see this against. I'm gonna be running this speed 3. All right, to start here, we got an adapter, and then we got a really small screw. This is a 2-inch screw. We're gonna go ahead and run this. Throw this in here. Yeah, this is really nice. All right, so we're gonna be running this on speed on self tap. See what this, I know this is not a self tapper, but so you guys did hear the pause there. We're gonna run this on finish. All right, so we're gonna be running the deck screw. That's pretty good. Let's do it again. Pretty good. That was speed number 3, by the way. All right, let's try drilling a hole right here with this. This is a 1/2 inch drill bit. And then we have an 11/16 spade bit. For a final test, we do have a 4.5 by 1/2 inch lag. We got a 3/4 socket with an adapter. We're gonna see if this will drive this in there. Technically, these tools are not supposed to be doing this, but you know, some of the tools are able to do it. These are a lot of work for something like this. This stuff needs to go at least a high torque impact wrench. But we'll go ahead and just do it for testing. This is just don't try it at home type of thing. You guys know how that works, right? All right, got a new adapter to fit in here because the other one doesn't not fit. This one fits in perfectly. We're gonna go ahead and drive this in right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Cracked. Yeah, I gotta say it does do it. This is really strong. This is worth it to go with the big boys. Alright, so I did it. It's kind of warm actually. Actually, it's not too bad. Not too bad, guys. Not that warm. I don't have my temperature gauge with me. This thing's smoking actually. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it did this. No problem. This is one of the heaviest tests we have for this, something like this size. But yeah, definitely worth it, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.